Hello, fellow atoms and stardust. This is Rethinking Physics, where we don't just solve problems, we rethink the way we approach them. Today's challenge is one of those classic problems. It looks fair, it feels fair, but the math tells a different story. Let's set the scene. There are 10 boxes arranged in 2 rows and 5 columns, and 2 of those boxes contain keys. The placement of these keys is completely random. We have 2 such rooms with 10 boxes and the same placement of keys in both of them. In the first room, we have Emma, and in the second, we have Ethan. Each of them can open one box at a time. The first one to find a key wins. Emma decides to open the boxes row by row, from the left to the right, and Ethan, on the other hand, opens the boxes column by column, from the top to the bottom. Who would win? Seems like they should both have the same chance, right? After all, the keys are randomly placed and they are both just opening boxes one at a time. But here's where it gets interesting. If you simulate this setup and analyze it mathematically, it turns out that Emma actually has a slight edge. Ignoring the 11 ties, Emma holds the upper ground 20 times while Ethan holds it only 14 times. And here is where most people stop. They say Emma's strategy is better, and so Ethan, they think, is just unlucky. But what if that is not the whole story? Because Emma knows that her strategy gives her higher chances of winning, she stays with it. But what if Ethan doesn't accept the disadvantage and comes up with a smarter strategy? What if he could alter his approach in order to flip the odds completely in his favor? In fact, Ethan does find such a strategy, and when he uses it, his chances of winning jump to 80%. That's right, an 80% chance to win. So here is the real challenge. What is Ethan's new strategy? You may pause for a moment to think. Well, Ethan decides to open the boxes one step ahead of Emma. So when Emma opens the boxes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, Ethan opens them in the order 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then 1. By doing this, Ethan ensures that he opens every box before Emma except for the first one. This slight change in strategy gives Ethan the edge, unless the key is in the first box, which Emma will get to first. Isn't it fascinating how a small change in strategy can have a big impact on the odds of winning? Do you think you can come up with a better plan than Ethan's? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, when it comes to problems like this, your intuition is almost always wrong. And if you like this, be sure you stay connected so you never miss another mind-bending problem. Until next time, keep questioning what you think you know.